Hey everyone, welcome to the Young AI Entrepreneurship Program. I'm truly excited to have you here. If you are watching this video right now, it means you have already taken your first step towards something big, building your own digital future with the power of AI and entrepreneurship. Most people just scroll, but you have decided to create, to learn, to lead. That's what makes you different. Hi, I'm Sudheer Kamera, founder of Coach Unleash. Over the past 10 years, I had the privilege of training more than 10,000 people, young minds, across entrepreneurship and skill development programs. And now I'm happy to guide you on this exciting new journey, the Young AI Entrepreneurship Path. In the next 15 days, we are going to go on an amazing journey together. You learn how to build a website, design content, create automations, and even start freelancing using AI tools that brings your idea to life. This program is not about the theory, it is about the creation. Every day you will take the real actions, complete small challenges, and by the end of this program, you will have something you have created for yourself. Whether it's your first website, your AI project, or your first digital business, you look back and realize how far you have come. Here, what I want you to remember, you don't need to be tech genius, you just need a curiosity, commitment, and consistency. AI is transforming the world, and those who are understand and apply it will lead the future. This program is designed to make you one of those future leaders who are the confident, creative, and ready for the digital world. So get ready to explore, experiment, and express your ideas. Keep an open mind, ask questions, and most importantly, take actions every single day. Welcome again to the Young AI Entrepreneurship Program, where learners become creators, creators can become future leaders of entrepreneurship. Let's unleash your potential together. The most important part of this journey, building your digital mindset and understanding what AI really means for you as an entrepreneur. Before we get into the tools and technology, we need to shape how you think, because success in this new era is not just about knowing the tools, it is about having the right mindset and use it creatively and fearlessly. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Simply say, AI is a system that learns, thinks, and acts like a human, but faster and without any limits. It helps to create content, analyze data, design graphics, writing the code, and even make business decisions, all with just a few clicks. But here something powerful is AI doesn't replace the people, it empowers the right people. That's why this program is called as Young AI Entrepreneur, because you're not just learning the AI, you're learning how to use the AI to build, grow, and earn in the digital world. Now let's talk about the digital mindset. This means thinking beyond being a user of technology and becoming a creator of it. A digital mindset means being curious about how things works in the online and using the tools to create, not just consume, and believing that anything can be learned and automated. You see, today's entrepreneurs are not just running the businesses, they are running the digital systems. The more you adapt, the more you grow. You have just taken your first real step into the AI driven future. In next session, we will move from the understanding AI to using it, and you learn how to generate ideas and the content like a pro using the simple AI tools. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and share your takeaways inside of our community group, because creators can share, learners just watch. Remember, today's small actions will shape tomorrow's success.